Dear students, now we will go through a question paper English online midterm exam conducted at Prerana College, Vidyanagar, Hubballi. Here total marks 50, time 1.5 hour they have given. Answer all the questions in a word, phrase or a sentence. This is the question paper of first PUC. Here each question carries 1 marks, total 12 questions. You have to answer in one word, phrase, or a sentence. In what tone does the elephant reply when the lion said how anyone could disturb the peace of his kingdom? In what tone the elephant replied when the lion said how anyone could disturb the peace of his kingdom? What was the reaction of the commission of inquiry when the man began to give his own account of the dispute? What was the reaction of the commissions of inquiry when the man began to give his own account of the dispute? When does summer seem like winter to the schoolboy? When does the child fail to take from his books in the poem The Schoolboy? Sadness, happiness, joy, delight. In Orumanushya, how far was the big city for the narrator's home? Describe the appearance of the stranger who helped the narrator in the chapter Varumanushan. What is sheltered inside the body of the cow? What does the phrase dog eater refers to in the poem If I Was a Tree? What does the phrase dog eater refer to in the poem If I Was a Tree? What does the old woman expect for her service? What does the old woman expect for her service? In A Farmer's Wife, what does the woman mean when she says, But I was born with a head bent? What is the meaning of this? But I was born with a head bent. How many children did the farmer have? It is direct answer. What did the farmer's wife decide to teach her children? You have to write in one sentence. Remember, it carry only 1 marks. Answer the following questions in a paragraph of 80 to 100 words. Each carry 4 marks. In The Gentleman of the Jungle. The Gentleman of the Jungle. When does the man realize he is being fooled by the animals, and what does he do after that? When he realizes that he is fooled by the animals, what is his reaction? What he will do after that? Describe the embarrassing experience of the narrator in the chapter Oru Manushan. You have to write the experience of the narrator. Describe the experience of the narrator in 80 to 100 words. How does the attitude of the speaker towards the old woman change? Attitude of the speaker. You have to describe in 80 to 100 words. What kind of questions does the poem The Farmer's Wife raise about the plight of farmers' widows? Plight of farmers' widows. The condition of the farmers' widows. Answer one of the following in about 200 words. It carry 6 marks. Formal schooling not only takes away the joy of childhood, but also hinders the child's growth forever. Explain. Do you agree with this? Formal schooling not only takes away the joy of childhood but also hinders the child's growth forever. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate articles and prepositions wherever necessary. Donna Laura. Donna Laura is dash 70-year-old lady. She is refined dash appearance. Feeding pigeons in the park. Don Gonaljo is also a 70-year-old man. Gouty and impatient. They are accompanied dash their assistants. Laura sits on a regular bench to feed dash birds and relax watching them. You have to write, fill in the blanks with the appropriate articles. The, by, in, a. Dono Laura is a 70-year-old lady. She is refined in appearance, feeding pigeons in the park. Dono Gonaljo is also a 70-year-old man, gouty and impatient. They are accompanied by their assistants. Laura sits on a regular bench to feed the birds and relax watching them. Am I right? Rewrite as directed. We must try our best to cast CASTE or CAST away our prejudices. Choose the right option. His writing change into an interrogative sentence. Is he writing? He climbed. Choose the right option. He climbed on into a tree. On a tree, into a tree. On a tree. He has a car. Identify and write the sentence. Which sentence it is? I have to write. He has a umbrella or an umbrella. I think you know this very easy. He has an umbrella because it is oval. He had dash a palace. Choose the right form of buy. He had bought a palace. Enquiry line commission the order to a of appoint a. Rearrange the given jumbled segments. You have to rewrite the sentence into the correct arrangement. You have to do here. Write a letter to the Corporator Municipal Corporation Bangalore requesting him to tackle the issue of garbage dumping in your locality. Your letter should include the following points: irresponsibility of the civilians, mosquito menace, epidemic diseases, unhygienic conditions. Dear students, note here what you have to include the points: irresponsibility of the civilians. Civilians dump the garbage. They are not properly disposing the garbage. And the mosquito, the problem of mosquito, epidemic disease, and the disease spread through the bite of mosquito, and unhygienic condition in the locality. You have to describe these points. Here we end this paper. They have written all the best. I will also tell you people all the best. Subscribe our channel and watch continuously. Thank you.